This is the Strato experience. Let's unbox it together. You'll first see a charging case and a Type-C cable. And of course your Stratos. When you first open it, there'll be blinking lights, which means that it's ready to be paired. This has already been paired with my phone, so let's try it on. Let me show you how to wear it. First, make sure that the ear canal is at the bottom. Rotate it forward, put in your ear, and rotate it backwards. And there you have it. By the way, the Strato comes with touch controls. 1 tap to play or pause your music, 2 taps on the right to increase and on the left to decrease the volume. Hold for 2 seconds on the right to skip forward and left to go back. Getting a call, 1 tap to answer or hang up, 2 seconds to reject your boss's calls, 3 taps to activate transparency mode, and a long press to turn your Strato off. Once you're done using them, place the earbuds back into the case. And when you close the case, they will start charging automatically. And the illuminated letters will show you how much battery there is left in the charging case. Let me go ahead and charge my case. Once it's fully charged, the lights will go off. You're all set. Time to plug in and vibe.